Good morning, Facebook. Happy Friday to you. Hopefully you're ready for your weekend. We are about to finish it up and move on to our weekend. I've been busy all week long trying to get caught up from my vacation that I took last week, but we've had a pretty good week. We've gotten a lot accomplished this week. Today I'd like to speak a little bit about the differences in pipes. Yesterday we talked about maintaining our pipes for winter and how to keep them from freezing and breaking, and today we're going to go ahead and talk to you about the different types of pipes, what they mean when I say PEX, and what I mean when I say CSST, and different versions. As plumbers, we deal with a numerous amount of pipes, but I want to go ahead and give you a display that I have for all my new guys when they start, to try to help them to clarify what types of pipes are what. It's something I made several years ago for my new guys to try to help them to learn the systems and to learn the pipes a little bit better. So we're going to go ahead and flip you around and get started on that. Alright, so right here we have PEX. PEX stands for polyurethane cross-linked. Cross-linking is a chemical reaction that occurs between polyurethane and polymers. And there's about three different types of PEX. This one that you're looking at right here is B PEX, but there's also A and C, and the differences is basically the flexibility. A is considered a soft PEX, and usually what they'll do is they'll push a tool into it to spread it apart. They'll shove their fitting in it, and then that fitting will have a plastic ring put over the top of it, but it'll slowly close on it. B PEX is a more rigid PEX. It's considered a more hard wall PEX. They shove it inside there with a crimp ring on the outside, and then they take a crimper and they squeeze it together on the barbs. So that's the difference in the PEX. The next water line that is pretty common and most people know what it is copper. Again, there's three different types. Basically, it's a soft malleable pipe. It's very corrosive resistant. And the three different types are the thicknesses in the walls and the strengths. And those are L, M, and K. You're looking at M, that's about the medium size. That's what we use. If it's done in a light commercial work or a light utility work, it's L. If it's a really heavy wall, it's K. All commercial work has to be done in K. The only thing you can do with L is basically home and basic use. I use M just to be on the safe side. It's a little bit heavier than L. And I like it as far as being able to solder and pro press both on it. So that's what we usually use is M. That's what you normally see in the stores is M. In some cases they have to sell K, and sometimes they have to sell L depending on the store. Sometimes they color code them. They'll call them red and blue.